Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends with a controller on PC. First, connect your preferred controller, like a PlayStation or Xbox model, to your computer using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Make sure your PC recognizes the device and that any necessary drivers are installed. Once connected, launch Apex Legends and head into the game's settings. The game should automatically detect your controller, allowing you to switch from keyboard and mouse. Now, let's dive into the in-game controller settings. You'll want to adjust your look sensitivity and aim down sight sensitivity to find what feels best for you. Experiment with response curves such as classic or linear to see which offers better control. Customizing your button layout can also give you an edge, perhaps assigning jump or crouch to a bumper. Don't forget to explore advanced look controls for even more precise tuning. Mastering movement is crucial for controller players. Practice techniques like wall bouncing and sliding to navigate the map quickly and evade enemies. Understand that aim assist on PC with a controller is present but less aggressive than on console. Spend time in the firing range to hone your aim against moving targets and improve your tracking. Always use cover strategically during firefights to gain an advantage and reduce incoming damage. To truly excel with a controller on PC, begin with a sensitivity that feels comfortable and make small adjustments over time. Watching professional controller players can provide valuable insights into advanced movement and aiming techniques. Always communicate clearly with your teammates using a microphone to coordinate pushes and call out enemy positions. Remember, patience and consistent practice are key to improving your gameplay and climbing the ranks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.